Somebody's keen. Cal, come on. Narrate the cooking show. So what have we got in the pan?
Some brown shit and some white shit.
Some brown shit and some white shit. There you go.
What St. Louis rapper's single Hot in Here was one of the biggest hits of the summer of 2002? Yeah.
Yeah, with that.
Not wasted. Just not at the person.
You liar.
How do I throw it? Any way you want.
The best one is to hold it because they have it.
Hold it like that. There you go.
Swing.
And it's going to go that way.
Beat the flag.
Can I do this one? Whoa, there we go. Oh, caravan might be the way to go.
I don't think so.
Have a dog to be like the
I'll take your car. I'll take your car,
I was going
Lauren.
to say, catch the... It's like, where's that my head?
You meant to let go, Kelly.
Let's go.
Forward, Kelly, forward.
Okay. That's funny. Hey! Oh, that's pretty close.
Come on, get here. Now, come.
Whoa! Okay, that's pretty impressive. Well done.
Yes!
Yeah.
Watch it. I move on, dear.
This is probably your pick of the sites. Nice and level through the trees. Easy access to the creek. You can see where we are there, just on a bit of a slope, but you still find a level patch up there. That's not a problem really, but yeah, this is the primo spot.
4 miles, that's all that we got left now. Before the road will run out, before it's time for goodbyes. 4 miles until we're changing our lives. What's at the end of this ride? Don't know just just where we'll arrive. But you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be all